and all investors and NRIs, welcome you all. Welcome you all to the event. And with this, I feel proud and take privilege of introducing our distinguished guest, Sri T.G. Bharat Garu, Honorable Minister of Industries and Food Processing Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, Honorable Minister of IT and Sri RTG and HRD Government of Andhra Pradesh, Sri K. Rammohan Naidu Garu, Honorable Union Minister of Civil Aviation, Government of India, and finally our Chief Guest, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you everyone. Chandrababu Naidu Garu don't need any introduction. We all know him. I mean, the entire world knows, right? You know, he has been architect of IT development in Telugu states. His Vision 2020, we all know, majority of them are real today. And after bifurcation, Amaravati, he has envisioned construction of Amaravati and it as a modern and sustainable capital city. And he recently has announced Vision 2047, which we all wish him success on both the initiatives. And we wish him bring a lot of more investments from the World Economic Forum 2025 and for the sustainable growth of our Telugu states. And due to limitation of time, I am handing over for further proceedings. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ కిషోర్ గారు. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఎన్ఆర్ఐ అడ్రస్కి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. దానికి ఉజ్వల కానీ వాళ్ళందరినీ పరిచయం చేయవలసిందిగా సవినయంగా ఆహ్వానిస్తున్నాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Such a privileged moment for every NRI here అండి. సో మన దగ్గరికి ఇప్పుడు అమర్నాథ్ పొట్లూరి గారు ఫ్రమ్ డెన్మార్క్. హీస్ అ co-speaker of this speaking event on the topic of job opportunities and immigration policies of Teluguites. Mana Titu Mattipatla from Deutschland, మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు. ఆయన మెయిన్ స్పీకర్ కింద ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్నారు. లెట్స్ వెల్కమ్ దెమ్ అండ్ ఎంకరేజ్ దెమ్.
Good morning, honorable dignitaries on the dais, Sri Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Rammohan Naidu Garu, Lokesh Garu, and T.G. Bharat Garu. We are going to talk about job opportunities and immigration policies for Teluguites. We invite our Honorable Chief Minister and entire Telugu team to the Switzerland and I'm honored to speak at this meeting. We as NRIs always ending to do something for the state. We always feel that we are all extended family of the state and try to do whatever we can do benefit for the state. We are also quite active politically as demonstrated by our commitment to Telugu Desam Party during recent elections to bring NCBN Garu back to power. Many a time we were asked to donate for the causes by the state or invest into the state. First time in the history, NCBN Garu had asked us what could do to make more successful here. No other state, no other chief minister had ever asked us. He wanted to make Telugu community the best ever in the world. It generated enormous enthusiasm among all NRIs in the Europe. We are promising here we'll do our share to make Chief Minister's dream a reality. Dear ladies and gentlemen, one of the goals of Honorable Chief Minister Sir is to create 20 lakh jobs to the youth of AP in coming years, either in AP, India or abroad. In order to achieve this goal, we NRIs like to support as much as we can by transferring knowledge or by creating best suitable platform for the job aspirants from our state. As this task is so enormous, we had decided to form 3 different groups to promote each initiative. Firstly, generate high quality employment for our migrants here. Secondly, promote entrepreneurship among Telugus and locally as well as in here. Develop a strong network or powerful Telugus in CXO network. I'm going to discuss mostly about first objective. Mr. Krishna Garu, Gautam Garu, and Mr. Chalasani Kishore Garu will present other two initiatives. Our group is standardizing procedures so that who want to contribute to this Jobs for Telugus initiative and can use this as a manual for a quick start. Due to the demographic shifts and rapid declining birth rates in Europe, tremendous number of high-paying jobs are opening anywhere in Europe. As a recently, historically, restrictive immigration policies for workers are being rewritten all over. Except for political refugees, many European countries never used to invite foreign-born workers, especially from India, to get work visas here. Few high-end students who had done master's degree here used to be able to get good institutions here. In the past, number of Telugus used to migrate mostly USA and to Gulf countries. We believe now is the time for all Telugus to grab opportunity in European countries. Being advanced countries with a liberal mindset, human rights have a great importance here. In addition to higher standard of living, access to high quality education at all levels and healthcare is also quite affordable. Business opportunities is also freely available. I strongly encourage all qualified Telugus to take advantage of this opportunity. Once you complete your acquisition skills, experience, you can go back to Andhra to either extend your support for the development of the state or to pursue your career there. For everyone who wants to come here and for all those who want to help, we have collected workforce immigration policies, certifications, and training requirements in demand job roles and top recruiting agencies in all popular European countries. We hope this manual will be a good resource for both aspirants, skilled workers, and anyone here who want to take advantage of this new phenomena. We strongly encourage you to start your own HR agencies as well as to help your friends and family back in home in addition to building a second career. NRI TDP Europe and UK wants to take a pledge to create 5,000 quality jobs for every year for the Telugus coming from Andhra Pradesh. We will be available here after the meeting to distribute this information and answer any questions that you may have. And thank you very much for everyone, and my sincere, heartfelt thanks to Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Ram Mohan Naidu Garu, and Lokesh Garu, and last but not least, Dr. Ravi Vemuri Garu for giving this wonderful opportunity. Jai Hind.
మన నాయకులు మన స్విట్జర్లాండ్ వచ్చారండి. వాట్ ఏ బ్లడ్ బర్నింగ్ మూమెంట్ టు బి హానెస్ట్. అండ్ ఈ ఈవెంట్ ఇంత సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా అవ్వడానికి ఒక కమిటీ, వన్ ఆఫ్ ద మెయిన్ కమిటీ మెంబర్స్ కృష్ణ వల్లూరి గారు, ఆల్సో ఆర్సీ ఆఫ్ టీడీపీ, హీల్ బి అవర్ నెక్స్ట్ స్పీకర్. అండ్ Gautam Nikkanti Garu, who is a social media coordinator of TDP Switzerland. He would be co-assisting him during this speech, and it is on the topic of investment opportunities for Telugu in Europe and Swiss in India.